Adventure of Responsibility, Saving the Lost Kitten. In a friendly neighborhood with colorful houses and beautiful gardens, there were 3 children named Emily, Jack, and Maya. They were known for being responsible and helpful. They believed that even small actions could make a big difference. One sunny day, while playing in the park, they heard a soft meowing sound. They followed the sound and found a tiny kitten stuck in the bushes. The kitten was scared, and the children knew they had to help. Jack carefully picked up the kitten and held it gently. The children decided to find the kitten's home. They first went to the park and asked people if they knew the kitten. No one recognized it. They didn't give up. They went to the pet store, hoping someone there might know the kitten. The store owner was nice but didn't know the kitten's owner either. The children had an idea. They made posters with the kitten's picture and put them up everywhere. They also gave them to people passing by. They hoped someone would recognize the kitten. Days turned into weeks, but the children didn't stop searching. They visited animal shelters and talked to veterinarians. They even posted about the kitten on social media. They wanted to find its home. One evening, Emily got a phone call. A woman had seen their poster and recognized the kitten. Emily was so happy and told her friends the good news. They went to the woman's house, and a family was waiting for them. They had been searching for the kitten and were grateful to have her back. They thanked the children for their hard work. The children said goodbye to the kitten, feeling proud of what they had done. They learned that being responsible meant helping others and making a difference. From that day on, Emily, Jack, and Maya continued to be responsible and help people. They knew that their kindness could bring happiness to others. Their story inspired many to be responsible and kind. People learned that even children could make a big impact by being responsible and caring for others. And so, the children's adventure to save the lost kitten became a special story, reminding everyone to be responsible and show kindness wherever they go.